For those of you who know my yard, we've just had a tremendous storm. This is flash flooding. Neighbors 2 doors over, probably about 4 or 5 inches of water. This is a, can't see it, but there is a swale right there. It goes all the way up to the road. My house is nice and dry so far. It looks like I've got a lake in the neighbor's side yard here. Yard is pretty much underwater. Show you what we've got here in the side yard with the neighbor's house. And that goes up to the street, and our house is fortunately dry. Now let's go out to the back yard. This is a dry creek bed that we put in on the other side of these trees. And a good chunk of my yard is underwater. Out toward the back. The pond is totally overflowing right now. I can't get to it. This is my little woods and my little shed, which happens to be maybe an inch of water. So we've had more rain than we've ever had living here. It's a lakefront view here when there should be no lake. And sweeping around here is our house, and water on either side, but so far we're high and dry.